Yeah. This is your friendly reminder to change your dang oil. This customer went 15,000 miles since their last oil change. It's pretty bad. I don't know. What do you guys think? I wish I was kidding. Golly, Ira. Oh, got a little bit. While the oil's draining, I'm gonna take this skid plate off. It's just 4 bolts. Okay. Got our new crush washer. Put the drain bolt back in. Some people either love or hate these Toyota oil filters. Personally, sometimes they make me pretty mad. So let me know what you guys think. Just go nice and slow. And that filter right there is a perfect example of why we don't go 15,000 miles between oil changes. She looks like she's had some rougher days. We should probably change our oil more frequently. New ring there. Here. There's plenty of oil all around these new seals. Okay. Okay. We're gonna do a 5,000 miles. We're not gonna recommend 15. 84. All right, guys, 15,000 miles, it's a little much. Let me know how long the oil change interval should be. I recommend 3,000 to 5,000. Most of the customers aren't gonna change it at 3, so I always say 5, but personally, I think 3 is as much as you should go.